Hi guys, welcome to a channel again. And today, as you might have already read the title of this video, today's topic will be artificial intelligence. Today, we'll be diving into the topic that sparks curiosity and concern. Specifically, we will look into if artificial intelligence can really is it really going to steal your jobs. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Meanwhile, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our future videos. Alright, let's jump right into it. So what is artificial intelligence? Well, in simple terms, AI refers to a development of a computer system that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. So, basically, what we do with using our intelligence, these computer systems, they can do it on your own. Imagine a world where machine can process information, learn from it, and make decisions just like us humans. It's really mind boggling, isn't it? Take the example of voice assistants like Siri and Alexa. I'm sure all of you are familiar with them. These intelligent virtual assistants, they can understand our commands, answer questions, and even play our favorite tunes. They are becoming a part of our daily lives. And that's just scratching the surface of what AI can do. I'm sure you are all aware about ChatGTP. I'm personally also use it to for my videos to get references and research and all the data. So now let's address the elephant in the room, the concern that AI will lead to widespread job loss. While it's true that AI and automation have the potential to change the job market, it's not as bleak as it may seem. Look at the manufacturing industry, for example. Robots have been assisting in assembly lines for years now, but did they completely replace human workers? Not really. Instead, they've transformed job roles, allowing humans to focus more on complex and creative tasks. The fact a study by World Economic Forum suggests that while automation may displace some certain jobs, it will also create new job opportunities. It's all about adaptation and embracing the changing nature of work. Picture this, a world where human and robots work side by side, complementing each other's strength. That's the future we're heading towards. AI has the potential to augment our abilities and transform job functions rather than rendering them obsolete. Let's take the field of healthcare as an example. AI powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images and assist doctors in making more accurate diagnostics. The collaboration between humans and AI leads to improved patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare systems. So you see this technology, it's actually helping us. It's making us do provide better results. It's generating better results. It's eliminating human error. So even if you say they're going to replace some jobs, so I would say like everything is changing in the world. For example, if we say like there used to be a lot of typist jobs where like a few decades ago. Now you can hardly find a typist job. Like they're very rare because the system now there the AI is being used to type things and stuff. So it's becoming very easier to type, and especially it's also becoming very cost effective. An example I can give you personally, I was for my YouTube video, I needed uh, some captions. So I was searching on the Google about I wanted to transcribe my voice and into written form. So I found an AI tool which will transcribe my voice. So when I selected it, it gave me two options. First one, it said transcribe using AI, maybe $0.5 per hour. Second option, it said transcribe manually with human, or like the human will do the task for me, and it was more than four times the price. So I ask you, like, isn't it better for human beings? Like, these tasks are being done by robots, like they are doing it a whole lot more efficiently. And for now, I would say right now AI is not very developed right now, so we do need human intervention. But even in the future, if it progresses and becomes so much better that it don't need human intervention a lot, so even then we will have new jobs. So some jobs that I'm going to tell you that will be completely replaced by AI will be telemarketers, telemarketers, data entry clerks, because AI or algorithms, I'm sorry, I always get this word wrong. They will automate data entry tasks, reducing the need for manual input, and it will be a whole lot easier as well. Cashiers, self checkout systems, and automated payment techniques can replace the role of cashiers in the near future. It will be done. Customer service representatives, tool booth operators, these all tasks they will be replaced probably. Now some things now I would like to tell you that AI cannot do properly. Okay, first is discrimination and bias. For example, it cannot do justice, it cannot understand emotions. You all know that very well. It cannot come it's not very good when conducting criminal justice, with hiring, with lending, the so all these things AI cannot do it properly. And since AI is based on a program created by us humans, it certainly have limitation. Although it may get better in the future, it will still have limitation, because it won't be able to go out of the box, go out of its programming to do something in a case, in some case where what was not designed to be handled by it. So in some so yeah, that's the stuff. So now uh, yes, a world where human. So actually, I was reading a few researches and I was telling you about all this stuff. So to truly understand the impact of AI on jobs, let's dive into some real world example. One industry that has seen significant changes is transportation. Self-driving cars are becoming a reality. But that doesn't mean taxi drivers and truckers will be out of work. Instead, think about the new job opportunities that emerge with autonomous vehicles. We'll need AI engineers to develop and maintain the technology, safety supervisors to ensure smooth operations, and customer service representative to assist passengers. Another industry feeling the AI wave is customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more sophisticated, But that doesn't mean human intervention is no longer valued. In fact, customer service representatives are now empowered with AI tools to provide faster and more personalized support. Yeah, you probably know, like, first, when you call a big company, first AI will ask you what's your concern, what's your specific some problem, and after that it will take you to the specific person that in that specific department that you need for help. So it's doing a good job, like it's giving us better results. So I would also say that AI is the future, and it's going with us. It's beneficial for us. It's providing better results, it's reducing cost. And as far as jobs are concerned, I would say we are still following the old things. I mean, as the world is changing, technology is improving. Why would we need the same jobs after, like, let's say after 50 years? Do you think all these same jobs would be there? I would say probably not. Probably like the most there will be a lot more computer related new jobs that will be available, and all the old jobs that uh, they will probably be replaced with AI. And it will be a good thing because it will give us better results, and all those jobs will be replaced by newer, better jobs that will probably be better for the humankind as well. I also read in a study that by 2090, like 70 years from now, I guess, around that. So AI or robots will completely replace the police like the police in USA, I believe. So when I read that, I said it's actually a very good thing. You see, the task of police is very dangerous, and if AI can do it, it can do it far more better, far more efficiently. But there's one concern that many people have. I personally too have it, uh, like by reading some of Elon Musk comments on AI, and as he said that AI, although it is a very good thing, it can help humanity. It can also be very dangerous if it came in wrong hands. So it can be a very disastrous thing. So I would agree with that, but I would also agree that the companies the working on AI, they are definitely thinking about things. They are creating they are programming that according to their needs. They probably won't be able to harm anyone, and if and let's say if AI would go in wrong hands, we would also have AI in opposition to it, like in our defense as well. So AI will we will use AI to battle with AI, even if like that's the case. So I would say that yeah, it may be concerning to some people about this particular thing, but it's a very good thing what is happening. And I would say to all of you people, especially all students, that whatever field of study you are choosing, choose it seeing the future, because I'm very sure that all of you know that the studies relating to computers, like the computer studies, like the programming, the I know, like the programming and the every other field. There are like the analyzing, software development. So all these things, they are going to they're going to rise, and their demand will be like unimaginable. They will increase. Their demand will increase at an exponential rate. Like so, for the field of study you choose, probably, if you have interest in computer, so I would say probably go with it. Go with some computer studies. Like it's probably your interest, but I'm telling this for a more food for a more future proof uh, thing for you to do. Like it's probably take some study that is regarding related to related to computer science, because all of us know that the future is of computers, and all these manual things will probably be replaced by softwares and other AI and robots. And the development of those things, it's it will there will be a very huge market for it. So a very huge jobs, a very big amount of jobs, and it will be better because these things, they will be able to provide a lot better results compared to human error. We all know human error is a very is a concern for all of us. uh, Doing like when we do anything, human error is a very bad thing that can happen to us. So these things, they replace human error. Another thing, article I was reading about South Korea, I believe, or North Korea, I guess, like the one that is more developed. So their hospitals there, they were aiming to be completely reliant on AI in a few decades. This was like just in a few decades, they were going to diagnose the patients with using AI and robots. They were going to cure it using the AI and robot. They were going to nurse them using the AI and robots. And they said that it will provide far better results compared to what humans can do, because it was going to pinpoint the exact problem, and it was going to get the exact treatment. It will going to provide the exact treatment that is required for the patient. So when I read that, I was surprised, and I said that it's the best thing. The best, I would say, people can argue, but it's a very good thing that is happening as far as human living is concerned. So right now, I guess I'll now be ending this, and our channel InfoByte, kindly subscribe to it, those of you who are not. And if you like my work, I'll comment and also share this video so I can make future videos. And thank you for bearing with me. Goodbye and take care.